I would say that Bradley Manning's testimony put WikiLeaks and Julian Assange in the same place that the New York Times would be or the Guardian, which is to say he gave documents or uploaded them to a website that is the equivalent of, with the New York Times getting information about warrantless wiretapping from someone in the U.S. National Security Agency. So I think in that sense, it tells us that the U.S. should get off his back, that Julian Assange should be getting the support of the New York Times and the Guardian and Der Spiegel, which used all of these documents. So I think it's actually, in that sense, helpful to Julian Assange. On the other hand, there were two people who were identified to me as members, as lawyers on the grand jury that's sitting in Virginia. Two of the prosecuting attorneys were there in the court. So,
yesterday at the pretrial hearing of Bradley Manning.
Yes.
So they're there and you're there.
They're
Assange's
there and I'm
attorney.
there. I didn't have a chance to meet them because they don't come out and mix with the rest of us. They're on the government side, surrounded by camouflage people, but they were there. And so that tells us that grand jury is still active, going on, and that they're still after Julian Assange and WikiLeaks. When I say they, the U.S. government. But for some reason, they're thinking they can distinguish that from the New York Times and the Guardian. I don't think they can, and I think it's, to me, it's outrageous that the New York Times and the Guardian have not supported one of the people they worked with in revealing these documents.